Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be looking at how we can simplify array immutable changes with the new array.with method. So here we can see that we have this to-dos list, and it contains some to-dos items with these attributes like ID, title, description, completed, and due date. Now, the immutable way, that is, changing the existing array itself, can be done using the find method. So here what we're doing is we are saying that, okay, go ahead and find the to-do with the ID 1, and once you have found it, update the completed value to the opposite of what it is currently set to. So over here we can see it's set to false. So here it will be set to true using this approach. And that's what you see over here initially when we print, it says false, and then over here in the other output it says true. Now this is like modifying the existing array itself. But there are cases where you want to do it the immutable way, where you need to generate a new array altogether along with the items of the to-dos array that were not changed at all. And to do that, we have the map method to our rescue. So here you can see that what we are doing is we are saying that, okay, go ahead and create immutable array, and this could be assigned to a variable. So here what we're doing is we're saying go ahead and find all the items whose ID is not 1, and if that's the case, just put them as is. So in this case it will be like all the other items with ID 2, 3, and 4, they will be part of this condition. And if the ID is set to 1, then we are using the spread operator, and using the spread operator we are creating this new object with the completed value being set to false, because here you can see it was set to true. Next time when we do that, it will be set to false. Similarly over here with the to-dos.with method, it further simplifies and it gives you the option where you can specify the ID at which you want to make the change. So here you can see I'm going and saying that, okay, go ahead and find the index of the to-do item with ID 1, and once I have that index, I'm passing it to this to-dos.with, and then I'm passing the index over here. Then I'm making use of the spread operator, as you can see, to create a new object, and I'm saying that, okay, go ahead and get the item at index position 0. So for ID 1, the index position is set to 0, so we're getting this object, and then for that particular object I'm reversing the completed status, and then I'm just going ahead and logging it in the console. So here if I show you the output for the first item, you will notice that the completed is now set to false from true, and remaining items like 1, 2, and 3, over here the IDs 2, 3, and 4, they are as is. So here you can see the completed status is set to false. If I expand this one, you'll notice the completed status as false. So using the to-dos.with method gives you an immutable syntax for changing values of an array at a specified index. Do note that sometimes map will be more efficient, and that's what we have compared in this lesson.